Usually my videos are really energetic, but I was having a really bad day today, so I thought I'd show you guys my self-care routine, gradually see me get happier, and inspire you to turn some bad days into better ones. I don't know what it is, but sometimes the bed is not your friend. We have to get out of bed, we gotta get moving, so yeah, let's get this late night going. Honestly, I've just been going through kind of a rut. I don't know if it's something with like daylight savings or anything, or I don't know, it's just I'm like exhausted from this year and all the feels are hitting me of, you know, being a college senior and having it still be remote, and I can't believe my college experience is over almost. I have one more semester left. You know, getting really hard about myself with social media, and kind of started social media this year and everything really grew on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, and I could not have imagined it in my wildest dreams. But it's one of those things, it's like, I totally understand when people say social media becomes addicting and it's a drug, and it's like this endorphin hit every time you press refresh, or it's so dangerous. And you know, being someone who is going to go work in product marketing and management, it is really hard for me to not, you know, look at my click-through, my engagement. Why isn't this working? What's wrong with this title? Like, what should I do better? And definitely eating me up alive. And I'm such an overthinker. I'm like CEO overthinking, and it's definitely not healthy. And I went through kind of like a mini identity mental breakdown moment when I was just like watching a lot of people really thrive, and I'm one of those girls. I am so freaking happy for people when they thrive. Like, that's what my entire brand is about, is helping you thrive. Let's get this bread energy, whether it's college tips, internships, jobs. Like, I just love doing this in real life, so sharing it with one person online or 100,000 people online, that's like my passion and my joy. But it's hard if it's like the content you're making and like, you know, the growth and the things not doing as well, and like also it's still my first year, so I'm trying to be nicer to myself. And I feel like especially for girls there is such a double standard. I feel like these days there's definitely a pattern and a formula to almost being successful as a girl YouTuber. There's either the super minimalistic style, you know what I'm talking about, the calm, the soothing, the minimalistic, and then there's like the super artsy, cinematic, doodly, quirky girl aesthetic. And then very few people who are able to actually do this successfully, which is kind of like the Emma Chamberlain raw style. And I think for me, I am kind of in the between of two styles of like the super raw personality, but I try to be, you know, have like cute aesthetic moments because I love making that kind of content as well. I'm not fully one of the previous two ones I was talking about, and I was like, should I be playing the game and doing those types of videos? Not to be fake, but just to play the game and like be smart and intentional and like making sure my content is resonating with people, right? I was really frustrated because like creators in that category tend to be cute girls that are, you know, simple and elegant and like really, I don't know why I'm getting so emotional about this. Like calm, cute girl. And people like to watch those types of content, and the thing is, I'm not that girl, and I'm very much of a bruh girl. I was like very, like, you know, I wish I was like those types of girls who could make that type of content because it would just do much better and resonate with people. But then I was like talking to people in my Discord. Everyone has been so supportive, like Angelica, like, we love your style of videos. They think it's refreshing, and so that was really encouraging. And you know, at the end of the day, I'm not here for the viral views or just to be a trend, right? Or I'm really just here to help people, document my life. I love empowering individuals, whether it's college tips or lifestyle tips, internship, job advice, like being that big older sis, and also be working like a non-social media job as on top of a social media job. So just bringing that realistic aspect to people. And you know, comparison is the greatest thief of joy, right? And I need to really work on that. And so if you're struggling with that, I hope that you know that everyone's on their own time. Everyone's going to get great things in their own timeline. I see my peers and people around me like following a certain formula and pattern that's clearly working, but that pattern's just not me, and it's not my brand, and it's not my personality. So I was like, you know what, Angelica, no, like, you do you, you're doing great. I had kind of a moment of like, like, why aren't I like them? But I realized I am like me, and that is, what is it? That makes and that is great. And I saw this like Pinterest photo, you know, focus more on liking yourself rather than focusing on other people liking you. So I love myself. I love the content I make. I love the content I edit. And so if people like that, people do. And if people don't, then people don't. The small population of people who watch me appreciate and I love that. So I'm going to be just doing that. Okay, I don't know why I literally had a breakdown, but yeah, and don't change yourself for anybody or anything or any number, or even if that means like following a little bit of a trend, which you can totally do, but you could still do great things by making your own trends, doing your own thing, and really, what do they say? Disrupting the industry. That's what all those tech companies say. Like, it's an industry disruptor, but make your own path. We will cheers to that.
Yeah, that didn't work, but good try.
Do you want to say hello to the vlog and show them your lights?
This is a
POV, you're the...
I'm new. POV, I'm Angelica. Hey Google, make the lights red. Bam.
Hey Google, make half the lights blue.
I think that's too much processing. It made all the lights blue.
Uh-oh.
It was on. So I can just kind of move it to wherever.
Unz. Are you happy with your investment? Fun fact, I actually cannot journal for my life because it actually gives me greater anxiety to be transparent with myself, so.
Oh, you're faking it on the internet. I see. Me starts recording the space time. Leaking the decompress.
I don't journal, but I do plan. But I can't journal because,
Right.
No, but that would actually force me to be honest with myself.
Wow. This is what it's like to be a content creator.
But I'm not gonna actually show the journal because
That's private.
that'd be private. You can already tell from talking to Ashley a little bit and laughing. Truly, laughter is the best medicine, so get some laughs, talk to your friends.
So anyone can put anything in there?
Yeah.
See.
You sound like a troublemaker.
What do you mean?
Our little TikTok party is over, so we're gonna go run a bath because I'm in a mood for a bath. This is Matcha Mood by I Do Care. This is also by I Do Care. It looks so good, but I'm not gonna eat it. But I am going to eat this matcha ice cream. My tripod just got dipped in the mask. Just chillaxing, appreciating my skin, appreciating my body, being thankful and grateful. It's matching my mask. And I love to remind everybody I'm from Los Angeles, so. How do you guys dry your hair besides a hair dryer? Do you guys just like let it air dry? Or do you just, I don't know. I kind of do this thing where like I put my hair in the towel and then I just like have the hair in here. Anybody else do this? Yes, casually, there's a mic stand in my room. Just ignore that. I took my bath and I am going to be doing some of my skincare. For the most part, my skin does do a pretty good job, but I'm just using some Tulas. This is some acne clearing gel. I don't have any like big breakouts right now, but I always get breakouts on my chin. And right now I have like one of those like underground pimples right under my nose. So where do you guys typically break out? I always break out here on my nose and then my chin. Sometimes my cheeks, but really it's just like right here. Yeah, honestly, taking that bath was so nice. I watched some Good Place, which was always fun. I'm almost finished. I was cleaning up my phone, like the photos, which is kind of therapeutic. And I was on Pinterest for a bit. Pinterest is kind of really nice because it's like the aesthetic social media aspect of Instagram, but except there's like no pressure for likes or following. It's just like it's like a visual diary. I'm sure that's kind of how people feel about Visco, right? Is it Visco or VSCO? I feel like I say Visco. Also, this wet brush is like the best thing ever. And it's like curved, there's like hair in it. It's like curved, so it just like cups your scalp. It's really nice. If you're gonna get anything out of this video, get a wet brush. See, I took a bath and I'm already in so much of a better mood. And we are gonna put a little bit of retin-A. This is prescription grade. I got it from a dermatologist, but it's like 20 bucks. with insurance and it's like super strong. Put some on my breakout there, and then just overall like my cheek areas. There's some like over-the-counter stuff that you can buy. It's just not as strong, but it's really good for, it's vitamin A, so basically it's good for cell turnover and wrinkles because it's just like making your skin peel. Finish it up with a ultra facial cream moisturizer. This is my favorite one from Kiehl's. What do you guys like to do when you guys are having a bad day or just a weird funky day? I feel like we've been having a lot of those days these days because of just COVID and also the end of the year wrapping up and school and jobs and stress, and it was kind of hard being a human being this year in 2020, not gonna lie. I'm proud of you. If you are going through a hard time, I want you to know it's not always gonna be easy, but it will get better and you are strong, and even strong people have bad days and strong people have breakdowns and strong people cry and strong people have, you know, self-worth issues, and they're not mutually exclusive. So I want you to know you are strong, you are beautiful, and you are worthy and valuable, and grateful you're here. I'm also gonna have a nice little seltzer. This is Truly lemonade, mango flavored. You guys, let me put you on something. Truly, if you're over 21, Truly's regular stuff is like whatever to me, but their lemonade, oh. So here's some ASMR. Wow, this is so good. Mango mine is really good. Try it. 맛있는데? Mom made some matcha spread.
제발 난 찍지 말아줘. 제발 이 얼굴은 나오고 싶지 않아. 저리 가.
It looks weird, but it's really good. Do I look like my mom or my dad? Let me know. So I've actually been singing a lot of Taylor Swift. That has helped me relax a lot. I hung out with my parents a little bit. And I actually posted on my Instagram what people do to take care of themselves. So let me read some ideas for you guys if you are looking for how to make a bad day just a little better. Helping others, eating ice cream with movie or TV show, by praying, reading, baking banana bread, hanging out with friends, watching K-dramas, dancing to your fave music. That's what I did. Mindfulness, throwback songs. Ooh, that's a good one. Memes, eating good food, beer at McDonald's, play with the pet, sushi, play video games, light a candle. This is a reminder for those who do, but take your meds, hyping yourself up, watching Gordon Ramsay compilations on YouTube. Think of others, as odd as it sounds, serving others will bring you much happiness. I love that. So many good ideas. My pimple is like, kind of, can you see it? So, Starface sent me over some pimple stickers. Look at this. Hello Kitty edition. And look, this is the company with like the star pimple stickers. This is a pimple sticker. How cute is that? I mean, it'd probably be cute if it was on my cheek, but the pimple is on my nose, so this is so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, now I am just writing down the things I will be doing mañana. The sticker, isn't it so cute? I'm obsessed. So tomorrow I'll be editing content. I have some meetings. I am, some girl from Yale reached out because she wanted to interview me for her school project, and I'm like, so flattered. Yeah, it's like moments like that where I remember like people that support me and love my content and resonate with me, so that makes me emotional and I'm gonna cry, so we're not gonna talk about it. So these days I have been actually rereading A Year of Yes by Shonda Rhimes, or she is the creator of Grey's Anatomy, Scandal, How to Get Away with Murder. There's so many shows. She's like an icon. She is like television. Of course, she's a writer, so she knows how to write a good book. So yeah, it's been really good. I'm rereading it again, and just, what do you guys like to read? Let me know below. Honestly, like sometimes I struggle reading with books because it forces me to like silence my mind, and it takes a lot. Like I struggle with turning off my brain. So yeah, I love reading nonfiction because I love to learn, but then I think that's not good either because I'm like trying to be productive even when I'm reading. So this is really nice, but I want to get more into fiction, so let me know what fictions you guys enjoy. I know it's not always this easy, but I hope this inspires you to take bad days into slightly better ones. I can't take myself seriously with this like Hello Kitty sticker. My brother doesn't want to be filmed, but I can't do the helicopter hands.
Party.
How do you do it? Am I doing it?
Yeah, kind of. Party.
It is 3 a.m. and I spent way too much time on TikTok laughing. So I think I'm gonna end the self-care routine vlog here. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlogmas. Take care of yourself.